Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny B. So I'm back with another video, and this is a haul video. Yeah, so I got these 3 clothes from Shein.com. This is their from their plus size website. So I picked these 3 clothes and I'm going to share with you. So the first one I'm going to show you is this blouse. This black off shoulder blouse, and it has this lace details also, and on the sleeve also. I really like it. I really like the sewing also. So you can get this from their plus size website. Yeah, I'm going to leave a link below. I will leave a link to this top, this blouse, and all the 3 these things that I got from them, and also I'm going to leave a link to their website so you can check it out if you like it. So talking about the blouse, it really fits me well. I really like it. I wear it with one of the skirts that I got from Misguided. Yeah, and it really goes well with it, I can say. So I love it. I like it. So the next one I'm going to share with you is this jumper. I'm trying to make this video quick. So this is this. So I really love this one. It's very warm. Yeah, it's very warm, and it doesn't really have that smell. You know that smell, because I normally order things from all these Asia online, so I know the smell that I got when you get any of their clothes, or maybe hair. Yeah, because I do order also hair from AliExpress, so it's very nice, and also it's very warm, so I really like it. And these are from the plus size website. So if you, because some people find it difficult to get to find their size due to it's Asia, so their clothes are always in small size. So now this is their plus size website. You can find also big size. So if you are on plus size, I will say that you check this link, because they have nice clothes, nice dress, top, jeans, so you can check it out. So yeah, that is it. I really like it. I like it. So the next one is this wraparound dress. Wraparound dress, and in flower print. Yeah, I love this one. I love the color and also the flower print. It's very nice for summer. Oh, I can't wait for the summer to come. So, but the only thing is that the sleeve is big for me. Yeah, I would say the sleeve, but it still fits me. I like the way it looks, and also the length is not that long. It's on my knee, so I love it like that, because I don't really like when it's too long. So it will be nice for the summer. So I love it, and the material is so nice. I like it. It's so light. I love the material. So yeah, that is it. I only got these three clothes from them, and I decided to share with you. So I hope you enjoy this video. Like I said, this video is just quick, because running out. Yeah, so just tell me what you think. I said I'm going to leave a link to their website and also links to all this stuff on blouse. So I'm going to leave a link where you can get it if you want to. And yeah, and please do give this video thumbs up, and if you're new watching me, please subscribe. And yeah, tell me which of the clothes you like, which one fit me better. Let me hear from you. Let me hear your comment then. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.